like 45 degrees today. Well, I hope the bike warms up soon because I'm frozen like an icicle. 9:26 on a Sunday morning. That house right there, that one was $900,000. Couldn't sell for like 2 years. Then the guy bought it, put in all the landscaping, and look, solar. So I know solar's been pretty highly regulated lately. Old Warren Buffett doesn't want people getting their hands on it because he doesn't have enough money already. See ya! Oh yeah, here we go. My first time. 5:15, here we go, here we go. There's the new highway, the I-11. Looks like they just laid some fresh asphalt on it, so it's coming along pretty good. What in the fuck are you doing? Stop in for a cup of coffee. It's cold today. Yeah. Here we are, old school Boulder City. I like Boulder City. Check out this side of Boulder. This just doesn't look like Las Vegas, does it? Looks like California probably, especially if there was leaves on the trees. A lot of these homes back here, they'll cost a pretty penny. Something stinks. I hope it's not me. I think that's going to be the new tunnel to get down to the Hoover Dam here soon. So I've done this ride a bunch of times. There's actually there's a bike trail, the old railroad. They converted it into a bike trail. So if you go out to Lake Mead, before you pay to get into Lake Mead, you cut off to the right, you can park, and then you can take the railroad tunnel out to Hoover Dam. It's about 3.5 mile walk. It's really beautiful because you get to see the lake. Yeah, Erica hates it up here. A little bit of a drop over there, guys. That is sketchy. I don't know why I got scared just there. Just got really nervous. It was coming around the curve. I just need to focus on the road. I'll look at the tape later. How about that? There we go. Hi. How you doing, sir? There's Memorial Bridge. Beautiful. Really, really nice. But just look at the size of that bridge. It's unreal how big that bridge is. Wow. It's something. And we're coming up on Old Hoover right now. There's a little gift shop. They got a little restaurant in there. You got to think the steel that holds those lines, it's been up since what, 1930s? Maybe they've done some renovations to it. Probably have. I could see that. Huge tourist spot. Everybody and their brother likes to come to Hoover Dam. So yeah, we're cruising across. We're gonna walk down here in a minute and take a look. Actually, I should go park over there. That's what I'm gonna go do. Water's still down further than when I first moved here 3 years ago, that's for sure. Look where they drilled. They drilled down into the rock to blow out this side of the mountain. You can still see parts of it. It's cool. Hey! Take a little view. It's beautiful, isn't it, guys? Wow, look at one of those chutes from up here. Do you guys see that down there? Wow. Back when the spillways that was in case it would overflow. There hasn't been water in there for ages, I would imagine. Well, that's new. They used to not have, that was not there last time I came here. Must have people on boats going too close. Better watch out, buddy. That's scary. And there's like straight drop on the other side.
This is people for wolf.
It's beautiful out here though. Somebody tell me to slow down. There it is. There's Memorial Bridge. That thing is massive. Look how low the lake is though, for real. So that's Boulder Beach. We like to take our kayaks from there and we'll go across over to that old water tank when they used to have a cement mixing plant out there. Wow, check out that train. What I've been waiting on. This guy's probably like, what is this guy doing? I freaking love it. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our ride out to the Hoover Dam, and I hope you guys keep watching. I love making these videos, and you know, leave me a comment. Make sure you guys subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody.